Welcome to Magical Umbrella One Stop for Learning. Learn and earn, 100% guaranteed program. Happy Independence Day to one and all. On an auspicious occasion of Independence Day, Magical Umbrella offers a gift to each and every citizen of India, to become digitally skilled. As you know, at present world scenario, website is a platform for connecting people from all our world, where people can express their views, sell and buy products, provides information and many more. There are different types of website, which are as follows: e-commerce websites, business website, blog websites, portfolio websites, event websites, personal websites, membership websites, non-profit websites, informational websites, online forum. Don't worry, now you can learn to create your own websites, by learning full stack website development. Full stack website development is ability to design and create a complete website project of your own. For learning these skills you will have to understand front-end and back-end of website development. We will help you to learn this within our course at very affordable cost. What you will learn in course: Figma, UI designing platform, for website. Front-end designing and implementation of website using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and JavaScript. Backend, here you will learn about logical part of website, by using languages like Java Spring Boot, Python or PHP Laravel framework. To maintain and access data of website, MySQL database will be taught. After complete creation of website, we will train you how to host website on server using Amazon Web Services, AWS, world's top cloud computing platform. After learning this course you will be able to create your own website. Also with this you will be able to create website for clients and earn good handsome amount. You will also have good opportunity at top IT companies. Salary range for full stack website developer range from 6 lakhs per annum to 40 lakhs per annum and even more. Services offered with the courses are as follows. Doubt solving session will be conducted on every Saturday. If Magical Umbrella team is unable to solve your problem, 100% refund will be provided. Server and live project working will be provided, and based on this internship certificate will be provided which can upgrade your resume. Duration of course is 90 days but can be extended till course completion. E-note of all the subjects will be provided. ISO course certification will be provided on completion of course. Learn from industry expert tutors with quality of education. After course completion, mock test and interviews will be conducted for developing and getting trained as an IT professional. Lifetime placement assistance will be provided in top IT companies. Cost of learning full stack web development is very high in market, but our aim is to provide education at very minimal cost and make our India digitally develop. So, each and everyone interested can learn at very affordable cost only at Rs 3,499. Also you can learn from home by referring interested candidates by using your reference code. Reference code will be allotted to you after signing up to our website. You can enroll to our course from www.magicalumbrella.com. Also you can call at 7410132639. Enroll as soon as possible, offers have limited seat vacancies. Once more happy Independence Day to one and all. Hurry up, book your seat now, start growing with us together and become an IT professional.